I've always wanted one of those Polaroid cameras, but then I looked at the cost and the cost of the film and it was a little too expensive. So I decided to make my own Polaroid pictures using my Cricut. In the description box you can find a link for this project and it has the two sizes. The smaller one is the Instax Mini and this one is the Instax Wide. I'm going to start by making a Polaroid using the Instax Mini. So I'm going to first upload an image. This is the picture I'm going to use. This is my dog Snow and my aunt's dog Molly. So as you can see, this picture is a little too big. I'm going to change the height to 2.44, which is the same height as this here. Now I'm going to drag this behind, select both and align center, and then slice. That way my image here will be the exact size of the picture that I want. Okay, so now to align this, I'm going to move this to 0, 0. I'm going to position the picture at 0.16 for the X and 0.29 for the Y. So then it'll be right in the middle. And then I'm going to flatten. That way it won't cut out the rectangle here. Again, I'm going to insert an image. This is a picture of my dog again. And for this, if we click on this, we can see that the width is 2.9 and the height is 2.44. I'm going to change the width to 3.9. And as you can see, the height is a little too big. So I'm going to take this box, and for this one, I don't really want it aligned center because her head might be cut off. So I'm going to align it probably about here and slice. So now here is the image that I want to use. To make this a little easier, I'm going to move this one out of the way, move this box to 0, 0, and I'm going to move this to the same coordinates as the last picture, so 0.16 and 0.29. And then again, I'm going to select both and flatten. You can create as many or as few of these as you want. I'm just going to show you these two. Since this is going to be a print and cut, make sure that your images don't pass 6.75 and 9.25. So I'm going to select make it, and you can see how it'll show up on my paper. I'm going to send to printer, and I don't want to include bleed because my border is white. I'm going to use the system dialog. I'm going to change the quality to high because I want the pictures to look good. I have my dial set to custom, and for the cardstock I'll select medium cardstock, and for the glossy sticker paper I would use photo paper. Here's how they turned out. This is how it looks using only the cardstock. So as you can see, there's no gloss to it. Here are the ones using the glossy sticker paper. So as you can see, they look a little more like photos because there's a little bit of reflection. And I just wanted to show you how I would add this to my bullet journal. So here's my bullet journal. With the glossy sticker paper, it's really easy because you just need to peel it and stick. For the one made on only cardstock, you would have to add some adhesive to the back, so either you can use a glue stick, or what I like using is this Crafter's permanent tape. I'll leave a link for this in the description if you're interested. So just put some on the back. And stick this in. And yeah, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!